Hey guys, my name is Bryce. I'm here with my brother Alexander.
Hello.
And we're really excited because we're going to get to interview one of our friends. Besides being an amazing person, she's a healthcare worker who's seen the impact of the virus firsthand. So it's such a great opportunity, and we can't wait to interview her tomorrow. So, what is your name?
Angelina Chalmers.
Where are you from?
Media, Pennsylvania.
And what do you do?
I'm a transporter and a one-to-one. A transporter, so like throughout the hospital, if somebody needs to get to like a surgery, somebody needs to take them there, so I'm that person. And a one-to-one is if somebody comes in the hospital who's suicidal or violent, so it's somebody who just watches them the whole time. I remember joking about it in like December. We were playing hangman at work, like on like a break, and somebody wrote Corona as like the hangman because that's when it was still only in China, and we were like joking about it. But I remember it was really serious when the first patient came to my hospital. Everyone acted like it was a Martian, like no one knew what to do. If you have a COVID patient, which is like almost every other one now, you have to take a specific elevator. And you have to call security, you have to call people before you take them. The protocol always changes though, like it's always, like that's the thing, like that's why it's scary. No one knew like what to do at first. But now everybody's wearing like hair nets. Like now it's like normal, everyone's wearing goggles and like 2 masks. The new protocol is like a homemade mask and then like an I-95 mask. The media and all that stuff, you really don't know until like you're there, because I could see who was in the ER. Before it would be like a green splosh that was like meant COVID, like on like half the patients almost. Or it'd be like 5 out of 19 patients who didn't have it. I went to 4 protests, and 2 were in Philly, so they were big, and 2 were local. It's been such a long time coming, and that it has to like be at this time. People's voices must be heard, and like during this situation, like there's no time like the present, I say. Someone's idea was to go into the highway, and everybody was just like doing their thing, like chanting, like putting their hands up. No one was being violent to the police at all. And they just, without any warning, they started throwing tear gas. So people got off the highway. Now, like, for argument's sake on their side, like, I understand to get people off the highway, but what I don't understand is why they kept pursuing the tear gas. They were dropping it from helicopters onto people who were just sitting, like, on the grass, trying to help the others. And I thought it was so cool how, like, I think I was asked, like, 10 times if I was okay by different people, and everybody was like trying to help each other during the situation. It wasn't like every man for himself. Everybody, like if you saw somebody like on the side, at least like 4 people went to that person and was like, do you need help, like what do you need? I thought that was amazing because it was like it showed like who these people are, like they're just trying to like help the cause, like, you know. Do it, get involved, don't be afraid. Because your voice matters. Everybody's voice matters, no matter who you are. I'm scared for Christmas and excited at the same time because I have a lot of family members who are very racist and very anti-Black Lives Matter, and you need to speak up to those family members even if your voice shakes. You need to, because like that's your tiny world. You can change that tiny world that you live in. Even if like they don't listen to you, you still like can like try. Like you can't let that go silent. I don't want to live under a rock. I don't want to be ignorant. I want to know what's going on in the world, and I want to be what's going on in the world. I want to help make this change, even though I'm just holding up a sign with thousands of people. But maybe somebody reads that sign and they get inspired.